Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day. I've done maybe like one or two of these on my channel. I've done intermittent fasting videos on my channel. So today is just going to be another what I eat in a day. So I'm not going to lie to you guys. I had pizza maybe like 2 nights ago. Before that, I had either McDonald's or Burger King. So I need to cook. I am in my best shape and I feel the best and everything when I cook for myself, but sometimes things just get a little bit too busy, and that's how it's been for the past couple of days. But today I'm making everything myself. So what I like to start off with is just a nice cup of coffee. I love my Nespresso maker. It is the best thing I've ever bought for my kitchen, and I love my Nespresso because they have so many different delicious flavors. So today I'm actually running low on my coffee pods, so I'm just gonna make one of my little espresso pods. I think it's like a double shot of espresso, so I'm gonna make that to start off my day, and then I'm gonna get into lunch. Okay, so as you can see, it's basically just 2 shots of espresso. So I'm not gonna have too much oat milk, but what I am gonna do is I'm going to use my frother to froth my milk. And on the inside, it actually has, I don't know if you can see that, but it has 2 different indicators of how much milk you should put in. And I'm going to put it on the lowest one. Then I'm just gonna add a little bit of cinnamon and sugar. So for lunch, I just want to do something nice and light. I don't want anything too heavy. And for lunch, I usually don't like to eat meat. I just like to limit my meat consumption to maybe like once a day, and I like to do that for dinner. It's not that I'm like trying to be vegetarian or anything like that. It's just my preference. For lunch, I want something lighter. So today I actually have some stuff that I got from Amazon Fresh. Amazon Fresh has so many great options, and I hate having to go to the supermarket to get my food because it's just like making a grocery list is really annoying. And then sometimes I'm just too busy to go out and actually buy what I need to buy. So I usually go on Amazon Fresh, get all my water and everything delivered to me. So I actually like to get some frozen selections for my lunch, either frozen foods or like soups or something like that, because it's just very quick and easy. I'm usually very busy during lunchtime, so I don't have time to like sit there and make a whole big lunch just to satisfy my hunger. So today I'm actually gonna make one of my frozen meals that I got from Amazon Fresh. It's gonna be like a quinoa bowl, but just veggie, no meat or anything like that. And I like to sprinkle a little bit of lemon on it because it just makes it so much better. Okay, so for my lunch, I just want something really easy, quick, and good. So I'm going to make this superfood quinoa with squash, kale, and seeds. So it just says it has butternut squash, kale, zucchini, and 3 seed blend and a light herb sauce. And I'm gonna cook this with these peppers and onions. So these are definitely gonna be very good, easy, quick, and I don't have to order out. So I'm gonna cook these right now, and it's literally gonna take less than 10 minutes. Okay, so here is my first meal. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but I really don't want too much as my first meal of the day. I'm probably gonna have a snack a little bit later, and then I will show you guys what I eat for that. But I really love starting my day with something small, and I don't really like to start off with meat, so I think this is perfect. It came out really good. I think adding the butternut squash made it taste a lot better. Just because something's frozen doesn't mean it's bad, you guys. Like, try this stuff out from Amazon Fresh. It came out really good. Once I start getting a little bit hungry, then I'm gonna have a snack. I don't necessarily just have like all healthy everything when I'm at home. Of course, I'm a regular person, so for a snack I might have like something sweet. Let's see how I feel in a little bit. Okay, So it is snack time. I'm hungry. It is 1:30 and I have some goodies right here. I told you guys I was gonna get something sweet, so I got something sweet. So I have these little, like, from Amazon Fresh, these like 2-bite brownies, and these are actually very rich and thick and I love them. So I'm gonna have 2 of these. If I could finish these all in one sitting, I probably would, but I know that's not a good thing. Look, oh, I wish you guys can smell these things. So I also actually wanted to show you guys, so this is what I had yesterday, and normally I like to have maybe, like, depending on how many I buy, either 2 or 3 of these kombuchas. I love kombucha on the days where I'm trying to, like, restart my eating at home, my good eating, if I've been having too much bad food over the past few days. But I love these things. This brand I just tried, this is the Organic Brew Doctor kombucha in watermelon. And my supermarket doesn't have too many different brands. They have this brand and they have another one that I really don't like. And this is the thing about this. So this is just supposed to be really good, but they don't always taste really good at all. Health-Ade is really good. This flavor specifically, watermelon by the doctor or the brew doctor or whatever, this watermelon flavor is really good too, and I drank the whole thing. So normally at this time, maybe at this time or maybe like around 2 o'clock, I would have another cup of coffee, and usually it's cold brew, but today I'm gonna hold off until maybe 3 o'clock. I have a meeting at 2:30 and I really don't want to be jittery for it, so the coffee's gonna have to wait until like 3 o'clock. It is now 3:49 and I am having my second cup of coffee for the day. This time I have some cold brew in the afternoons. I love having 2 cups of coffee a day, and mainly because I love the taste, but on the days where I really have like a lot of stuff to do, I like to have my second cup of coffee, and it's usually a cold brew. So this is the one that I love to buy all the time, and it has to be this red one because it is just so good. I don't know what it is about this. I don't know what they do with this that's different, but it is so freaking good. If you guys love coffee, if you guys love cold brew, you will love this. So this is the Stoke, I'm not sure how to pronounce it because it has a little accent thing. The one that specifically says tastes not too sweet and it's black. This one is the freaking best. And then the milk that I used today, I know I showed you guys that I was using the Khalifa oat milk. I didn't really like that one because the flavor was just like, it was very oaty, if that makes any sense. And when it tastes too much like oat or like almonds, I really don't like that with my coffee. So I ended up using this brand for my cold brew. This one specifically is the extra creamy version, and I use this for my coffee just because it gives it a little bit of a better taste. It doesn't really taste too much like oat, which, like I said, is something that I really don't like. So I just added a splash of this into my cold brew. That's what I'm having right now, just a little pick-me-up. And I'm actually gonna show you guys what I'm gonna have for dinner. Okay, so it is 6 o'clock and I have somewhere to go, which is why I look a little bit different, but I just wanted to talk about my dinner. I definitely recorded that, I'm showing you now. So dinner every single night, I like to have an every plate meal. I used to be the type of person to really like plan out each and every meal. I don't have that set schedule anymore, and I kind of got really tired of figuring out what I'm going to eat every single day, having to go to the grocery store all the freaking time. So I remembered that a couple years ago I had tried a HelloFresh box and I loved it. I felt like the produce, everything, all the ingredients from the HelloFresh box was so much more fresh than anything that I found at my local supermarket. But I wanted to try something different because I wanted to see if there was anything that was a little bit more affordable but still really good quality. I found out about EveryPlate. Now I've been using EveryPlate for a couple of months now, and this is not sponsored. I just really love them. So it's basically just like a meal delivery kit. You pick 4 meals out of the entire week and they send you the ingredients and the instructions on how to cook everything, and everything comes out so freaking good. I'm not even kidding. So tonight is the Cajun chicken sausage linguine. Every ingredient is carefully thought out. You're making all of your sauces from scratch with the ingredients that they send you. Everything just ends up being really, really good. So let's just get started with dinner. So like I said, they send you all of the ingredients. So I have everything right here for this Cajun chicken sausage linguine with Monterey Jack. So I have everything here. So I have the sweet Italian chicken sausage mix, and then I have the pasta, the spices, chicken stock, tomato. It said 2 cloves of garlic, but I'm doing 3 because one of these is really small and I love garlic. The cheese and cream cheese. So we're just gonna get started on this. It's supposed to take 30 minutes to be ready. We're just going to start off just slicing and dicing, cooking the pasta, cooking the sausage, making the sauce, and then putting everything together. Okay, so that's so good. I'm not even kidding. It has a nice little kick. I love that they send you the seasoning. I'm not always a fan of chicken sausage, but this one, like in this recipe, tasted really good because of the way that they had me cook it with the sauce and everything. And that's pretty much how my day goes almost every day, I want to say, for the majority of the week, unless I'm ordering out or going somewhere to eat. This is pretty much how my day looks like. I start off with something light, have a snack, have my coffee twice a day, and then for dinner I will have an every plate meal. Now, if you guys did enjoy this video, please let me know down below and give me a thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next video.